Welcome back to Review Hive. Today, we're diving into the SmartWings Motorized natural woven wood blinds. These blinds promise not only style and elegance, but also seamless smart home integration. Stick around. I'm going to share my personal experience using these blinds, from the installation process to everyday use, and let you know if they're worth the investment. The short answer is yes, but don't stop watching yet. Alright, let's get into it. The SmartWings Motorized natural woven wood blinds are custom-made, motorized Roman shades that offer a blend of natural beauty and advanced technology. They come in various materials like bamboo, jute, and ramie, providing an exotic and elegant touch to any room. These blinds are equipped with smart motor controls, allowing you to interface with multiple smart devices. You can control them using a remote, through an app, or even with voice commands via Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Homekit. Plus, they offer 3 shading options: 50% translucent, 70% light filtering, and 100% blackout. There is an option perfect for any room and any time of day. Performance and functionality-wise, I am very happy with the capabilities. First off, let's talk performance. These blinds are not just about looks, they perform incredibly well. The motor is powerful yet quiet, and with a full charge, it lasts up to 6 months. I installed these in our makeshift theater room to cover a large window, and they've been fantastic for creating a perfect blackout environment for movies during the day. In terms of user experience, the installation was surprisingly easy. The package includes all screws, brackets, and instructions. I was able to set them up in under an hour. The remote control is straightforward, and pairing the blinds with my Google Home devices was seamless. The cordless design is also a big plus, especially if you have kids or pets. What's really great about these blinds is the level of customization available. You can choose the material, motor type, motor side, and even add solar panels for charging. I opted for the beautiful bamboo natural woven wood variation with a blackout lining. I was considering getting the solar panel for the stationary window and a power plug for the sliding door, but decided to hold off for now. Very much considering it now that I've given this a go in my theater space. Are you curious how this stacks up to other smart blinds? Let me share my own experience. Compared to other smart blinds I've tried, the SmartWings blinds stand out for their combination of style and functionality. My wife loves the look, and we're both very happy with the functionality. The natural materials add a unique touch to our home decor, and the smart features make them incredibly convenient. Plus, the customer service from SmartWings is top-notch if you ever need assistance. They were responsive and helpful with some questions I had, making the whole process smooth. As far as the pros and cons go, the standout features include natural materials, smart integration, customization options, long battery life, easy installation, cordless design, and excellent customer service. You can choose from high-quality natural jute, bamboo, and other materials that add an elegant touch to any room. These are compatible with Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and more, offering multiple control options. Various customization options including size, material, motor type, and shading effect. I love that the high-capacity motor can last up to 6 months on a full charge. The straightforward installation process and components included made a seemingly daunting task easy upon opening the box and seeing all the hardware. Also, I love the cordless design. We have 2 cats and a child on the way. Finally, I had some questions during installation, and the responsive and helpful customer service was a huge plus. There really aren't many pitfalls with this product. However, the higher cost might be a significant investment for some homeowners. The initial setup complexity may challenge some homeowners too, especially the smart home integration. This is why I personally called customer service. Thankfully, it was a simple fault of my own, and they helped me resolve it very quickly. Well, that's my experience, but let's wrap it up. The SmartWings Motorized natural woven wood blinds are an excellent investment if you're looking for a blend of natural beauty and smart functionality. They perform well, look great, and offer a lot of customization to fit your needs. If you're considering upgrading your window treatments and integrating them with your smart home, I highly recommend these blinds. They're perfect for creating a cozy, modern atmosphere in any room. Check out the links in the description and pinned comment to learn more and customize your own set. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you've used these blinds yourself, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Also, please make sure to check out the product links in the description and the pinned comment for more details and the best deals. This also helps support this channel. See you next time.